I lived in LA for 10 years and I've realized the many beautiful trees. And every time I look at the TV or hear about talking about trees in LA, they always talk about the tall palm trees.
I love palm trees. That wonderful Mediterranean climate in LA where it's sunny 2/3 of the year. And because of that unique climate, we have an amazing array of trees. One of my favorite trees is the flame coral tree. This tree is native from eastern Mexico. It loses its characteristics during the summer, and those leaves get replaced by these beautiful orange red flowers. This is the official tree of Los Angeles. Surprisingly, it's not a palm. I also like the Canary Island date palm. This slow-growing tree takes decades to reach its maximum height. These imported trees require careful fertilization to grow outside of their native Canary Islands. Also, the century plant is an amazing tree. It only blooms its entire life once, and when it blooms, it sprouts a large stalk with yellow flowers that can reach 30 feet in height. Lord Jesus, a small building. I also like the Pawatukawa. This is an evergreen from New Zealand with flowers that look like the crimson butterbrushes. The European fan palm. The fan palm is native to Europe. It is used commercially to make woven goods like baskets. How about that crimson butterbrush? That's all over the place. This bush is commonly found in swamps and near rivers. The red flowers it produces attract numerous species of birds. The Indian laurel fig. This tree is native to Asia, and it is the most common evergreen fig in Southern California. It is a very dense tree, and it is the one breaking the most sidewalks. The rubber plant is also interesting. This tree belongs to the fig tree family. It is a large white tree with big glossy leaves. The white segregation inside it was used to make a rubber before they discovered other better trees to make rubber for tires and things of that nature. And how about that Mexican fan palm? Iconic Los Angeles tree. It is extremely tall and thin, has a very tapered skinny trunk, green fan-shaped leaves, and a very dense crown. I also really enjoy when I see the sweet gum tree. It's native to North America and Central America, and during the autumn, it has this wonderful star-shaped foliage that turns orange, red, and burgundy, really bringing out those colors for fall. And the last one that I really enjoy, lemon-scented gum tree. This one is characteristically tall, slender, and white tree with narrow leaves in colors green, red, and yellow. If I missed a few trees, please, in the comments below, leave what your favorite trees are in LA when you visit there. And again, please like and subscribe. And Steve, good energy every day.